In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect contacts to MacBook Air. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which MacBook model you have, including of course the MacBook Air, you will be able to synchronize your contacts. So to do this, you will have to access the iCloud options and make sure that you are using the same Apple account between both devices. Your contacts will be synced to your Apple account and iCloud. And as long as you have the same Apple account on your MacBook Air, they will be synchronized accordingly. So, first, I'm going to teach you how to add them manually. To add them manually, you open the Contact book on your Mac. So, look for the Contacts app. Once you open the Contacts, you will see this plus sign. By clicking on this plus sign, you will be able to manually add a new contact. So you will see the option to create a new contact, a new list, or add a specific field to card. If you choose New Contact, the first option that you see here at the top, you will then be able to specify all of the details about the person. So you can give them a custom picture, first and last name, assign them to a company, and then the other personal information, mobile number, home, ringtone, and so on. This is all customizable, and once everything has been added here, you can tap done or click done and the contact will be created. Now, like I said before, if you want to synchronize contacts, so let's say you have an iPhone, you have all of your contacts in there, and you want to make sure that they appear on your MacBook, you will have to use the iCloud synchronization as sort of a middleman. First, on the MacBook, go over to the settings and make sure that you sign into the same Apple account that you are using on the iPhone. This will only work if you have the same Apple account. Then, on the settings, choose the iCloud category and make sure that synchronization for contacts has been enabled. And then you do the same thing on the iPhone. So you open the settings, choose your Apple account at the top, access the iCloud settings, and then choose Save to iCloud to manage all of the data that is currently being synchronized. And in here, you can ensure that contacts are being synchronized into iCloud. With this done, when you enable synchronization through this page here, the contacts that are saved onto iCloud will be gathered and added onto your MacBook. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect contacts to MacBook Air. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.